Ever feel like expense reports are the bane of your professional existence? Drowning in receipts, scrambling to meet deadlines, and battling that sinking feeling you've missed something crucial? Fear not, weary traveler, for there's a land called expense management software promising to streamline this very process. One such popular option is Expensify. But with a name that sounds suspiciously like expensive, is it truly the financial savior it claims to be? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Expensify, dissecting its free plan, paid tiers, and hidden costs to answer the burning question, is Expensify really free? The allure of the free plan. Expensify boasts a free plan that sounds like a dream come true for personal use and small businesses. Features like receipt scanning, expense tracking, and even corporate card access make it seem like a one-stop shop for managing your finances. But hold on to your wallets, folks, because the free plan, like most things in life, comes with a few caveats. The catch, where free meets fee. Firstly, the free plan lacks integration with popular accounting software. This means you'll be manually exporting data and entering it into your accounting system, negating some of the time-saving benefits. It's like having a fancy car without a bridge to get you across the river, technically functional, but a major inconvenience. Secondly, the free plan limits collaboration features. Sharing reports with colleagues or having them submit expenses becomes a cumbersome task. Imagine trying to manage a team expense report with emails and spreadsheets, pure chaos. The paid tiers, unveiling the true cost. Expensify offers various paid plans with increasing functionality as the price goes up. These plans address the limitations of the free tier, offering integrations, advanced reporting, and improved collaboration tools. Here's where things get interesting. The cost per user can vary depending on the plan and your billing cycle. It can range from a seemingly reasonable charge to a price tag that might make your eyes water. Beyond the price tag, hidden costs to consider. Now, the price tag isn't the only factor to consider. Some users report a lack of robust customer support with the free plan, forcing them to rely on online forums for troubleshooting. This can be a major pain point, especially when dealing with time-sensitive issues. There's also the question of user adoption. A free plan might seem attractive initially, but if the interface is clunky or difficult to navigate, users might end up resorting to their old, inefficient ways of managing expenses. This defeats the entire purpose of using expense management software in the first place. The verdict, is Expensify the right fit for you? So, is Expensify truly free? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. For casual personal use, the free plan might suffice. But for businesses of any size, the limitations of the free tier can quickly outweigh the initial cost savings. Consider the number of users, the features you need, and the importance of robust customer support before deciding which plan, if any, is right for you. The final word, don't be blinded by the free label. Expensify can be a valuable tool, but don't be fooled by the free plan's siren song. Carefully evaluate your needs, weigh the limitations, and factor in potential hidden costs before making a decision. Remember, sometimes, the most expensive option in the long run is the free one that doesn't quite meet your requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy expense managing.